321 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 16th October. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 16th October, 449 people recovered in last 24 hours. 6 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 40,091. Total active cases in the states stands at 3,950. Total recovered cases stands at 35,610. Total 531 deaths are reported till 16th October 2020. Goa's recovery rate is 88.82%. Total samples tested till 16th October are 2,79,295. Breakup of total 3,950 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 88, CSC Sakre 202, CSC Pernam 110, CSC Varpai 116, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 213, USC Panji 216, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 84, PSC Betki 82, PSC Kandolim 168, PSC Kansarvarnam 38, PSC Korwae 79, PSC Kollim 112, PSC Chimpel 253, PSC Shuolim 119, PSC Pororim 297, PSC Mayam 33, Travelers by Road Flight Train 3. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 102, CSC Kankona 92, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 296, USC Vasco 216, Primary Health Center, PSC Pali 44, PSC Kansaulim 70, PSC Chinchenim 21, PSC Kortalim 172, PSC Kurtorim 75, PSC Lutolim 72, PSC Marsayam 73, PSC Kapam 83, PSC Sangam 48, PSC Shirada 51, PSC Darbandara 31, PSC Ponda 233, PSC Navilim 59. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 16th October are as follows. District North total capacity 469, current vacancy 241. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 736. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.